Alrighty, so hey, thanks for coming back, everybody. This is a three-part series because it would have been way too long. I did have to re-edit this video because I had a couple clips that were out of place, so I apologize if you already saw it and you're re-seeing it again. This is a learning process. I'm not a professional at this, and I am learning, and so what happens when you learn by error. And got quite a few interesting hang-ups here and there, but I don't know, they're just pinches, and I've learned how to use the wedges and stuff to unclog it so it doesn't fall down on you, and pinch the blade. But what I'm doing is I'm just dropping it. This is part of the felling, and this here one spot I really didn't want it to come down. It actually did just almost what I wanted it to do, because I wanted it to be in control here, and that's why I ran away from it. But so it didn't go all the way through, because I wanted to be able to just whack it with a stick or something and knock it down. Then of course it got hung up again, and I'm like, what the it is what it is.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, 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 엄마 내 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어. I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 이러다만 다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요. Let's be straight, enemies, match protect 네 커리어, terminate, 좁아 봐봐 좋은 새끼들 내 주제를 알아매요. Making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. 필요해 더 많은 시간 살 돈이 섣불리 시작해서 이제 밥벌이 랩스타일 비슷해 내 스타일 내 스웩 고마워 네 관심은 passion이 맞춤에 없는 매일에는 정중히 인사 드려볼 일 없어 우린 pardon me 윗고기 마시기 전에 차린 정신 도배하게 미쳐버린 뒤 도전들 타이밍에 Ball like a laundry room get the shot go free throw 나는 몸을 하면 그때 벌고 변한 건 없어 don't like a full bro 좀 달라 보여 그거 묶여진 색안경 눈탱이였던 놈 이제 벌어더러 one currency 바꿔 cash rules everything around me 유명세는 너 나가서 fuck that love making really on getting icy zone flexing I've been swerving make it trendy we look sexy here we go making really on getting icy zone flexing I've been swerving make it trendy we look sexy
Well, friends out there, I'm sorry, it's stuck in my head because I was thinking about cutting trees. Well, folks, everybody, hey, yeah, nature, God's with me or something, because I'm telling you, that was a dangerous situation, and it was controlled every time. A little bee landed on me. There was a little red fox over there. Where it went, it came out and it ran, and I just went, and it stopped and listened to me. And so anyway, like I said before, I'm in touch. I've been in touch for a long time with nature, and the more that you work outside, the more in touch you get with it. Cutting grass, being out here, start to feel the land. I kind of feel that way. Anyway, this thing walked all over the place. Was hung up on that tree, and then it landed, and then got hung up on this tree, and then I finally just pushed it over. How that was holding it up, I do not know. That should be rotten, and it was holding it. It just goes to show you wood's a lot stronger than what you think. Yeah. So, this is not a normal customer's house. This is somebody who, family friend of a friend that I know, so I can play around here.
I would not offer my services for stuff like this, and I don't. That's the only reason why I do this, just to clear it up. This is no different than if a regular homeowner would to attempt this, so that's how I look at it. I was not expecting that back lean to go that way. Look at this one, it's got the same issue. See how it's twisting and then going, actually going this way and then that way. So yeah, and you could just, the only one way you could drop it would be that way. But then again, the top still wants to go that way. So it's kind of what I was dealing with. I was hoping to drop it right there, just to get it out of the way. But originally, I wanted to drop it that way. And I said, well, it's going to get hung up. But if I had originally tried to drop it that way, it would have worked out better. And wow, look at this. Maybe that's why everybody stays away from me when I'm driving. That's my light for my tag. I got the air conditioner on it. It's flickering. You can't get in trouble for having a flickering white light, can you? I don't know. So I gotta put my tools away. I know why that chain popped off, because that bar is done. That bar is shot from being pinched. I completely pinched it. To be honest with you, I wasn't doing it right because I don't know what I'm doing. But practice makes perfect, and now I know what I'm doing. So there you go. That's how you learn. I'll clean this up later. It was 95 degrees today. It still feels like it. It's 8 o'clock at night. Well, 8 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know. Sun's still out, so. All these trees are leaners. Look at that. Whew. Those are some crooked trees. Anyway, so I'm going to get done here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, be nice, do something good for somebody, and hey, do something good for yourself as well. We're only here for a certain amount of time, so be kind. Rewind. Blockbuster.